So here we have the Shinshine 600 LED Christmas lights. Now, full disclosure, these were sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Anyway, as you can see, these come in a really nice Christmas themed box. And opening it up, there's the plug for the wall, this controller, and then all the lights neatly wrapped up in this roll. There's also this really handy remote, which makes it a lot easier to switch between the different modes. Now, I'm gonna wrap these around this small tree here, but they'll also fit a larger tree. And they actually fit a larger tree a lot better. As you can see, the wires on these are clear, which might not look the best on this small tree, but they'll semi-blend in with whatever you want to put them on. And these lights are also waterproof, so they're great for outdoors. Now, they look like pretty much any other Christmas lights, but these are special because they have a bunch of different settings, which I'll show now. That's just steady on, and then sequential, chasing flash, twinkle flash, in waves, slow go, fade, and cone. So if you're looking for some new lights for Christmas to decorate the tree or your house, then these are great.